It's really easy for people in my situation to give up hope when you constantly get thrown down or kicked down and doors slammed in your face. It's just hard to get ahead. It took a long time for me to get there, I think, but I do deserve a second chance. I do. Everybody deserves a second chance. They can't prepare you enough for what comes after prison. Like, it's so difficult to adjust. After struggling with employment, coming to Frontier just was refreshing. It gave me hope again. Frontier's second chance hiring program has allowed me to grow and to be successful. It's allowed me to look forward to my future and not be stuck in the past. It's changed my life.